Hey there, fellow RC drift car enthusiasts. Today, I am thrilled to introduce to you the incredible Calfa Turbo Racing 176 scale drift RC car with Gyro Mini full proportional RTR 2.4GHZ remote control. This mini beast comes with high simulation headlights, equipped with LED lights on the chassis that give a spotlight effect, and a double flash function. But that's not all. The THR curve has been upgraded to enhance your driving experience. With a Type-C charging port and a battery capacity of 55 mAh, you can enjoy up to 30 minutes of playtime with just a 40-minute charging time. Not to mention the cool taillights that light up during braking, adding an extra touch of realism to your race. And the best part? The removable car shell allows you to customize your car with two replaceable body shells included for free, making it the perfect Christmas present for anyone who loves RC cars. If you're as excited as I am, don't miss the opportunity to get your hands on this amazing RC drift car. Click the link in the description and get ready to take your RC racing to the next level. Subscribe to our channel for more awesome RC car reviews and tutorials. Happy drifting!